Hello, everybody. Welcome to another edition of the MakeCode Arcade Advanced stream. I am Richard. At Richard on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Joey at JWonder on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Vivian at Lucia on the MakeCode forum.
And today we're working on MakeCode Slam because I said we were going to work on it. So yesterday we added Gideon's character, Rox. Rox has a few attacks. So Rox can walk around and do this little attack. And then if you hold A and do over, you can launch a music note. And then Rox has the ultimate attack of launching just a ton of these guys.
I like it.
It looks so good.
It does, yeah.
I have a question. Is he wearing like a welding mask? What is that on his face?
That's a question for Gideon.
Okay.
It looks to me like he's always looking away. Like.
Oh, I see. Like that's an eye on the back of his head?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe.
I don't think. No, I think pretty sure that's the visor. I'm pretty sure Vivian's got it right.
Really?
Yeah.
Too cool
anyway,
to look. Yeah.
The notable things about this is that it can't slam, so it can't send you flying, but you can fire it pretty quickly. You can fire it while you're moving, and each one of the little things does 2 damage and doesn't hurt you. So it's like it's like a trade-off. And then once you get enough damage, you can go ahead and slam Straw Bob. See ya. See ya. Okay. So what I was thinking, well, what do you guys think we should do today? I don't really have a plan. My plan is either we add something new to the game that we're missing. I don't really know what it is. We add more attacks. We add another attack for each character. Or we add another level. But that's probably boring. Adding another level is probably pretty boring, actually.
Is there a list of the things? I feel like last time I was here, at least there's like so many things to do on MakeCode Slam. But now I'm just like, I don't know. Looks like a game. Is there a timer?
There isn't a timer. No, we did stock. So
what's the thing on top? Right? I'm confused by that number.
Oh, that is the DPS meter. If you remember, we were doing this when we were balancing the characters. It tells you the DPS that player 1 is currently inflicting. So this attack has about 30 DPS, which is super high. But it's only if you get right up next to them and they stand still and you just keep launching it. So it's pretty hard to do that. More often you're doing something like this, which has like much less DPS. You know.
I see. Okay. Kiwi Phoenix in chat says balance attacks. Gideon says they can make a level. And then Jose says more maps.
Okay.
Question mark?
All right, we'll do maps. I hope this doesn't end up being too boring, but it might. Okay. Straw Bob now has 1,268%, so let's send him flying.
No. He never had a chance.
It's
player
2. Okay, so to add new levels, the first thing we need to do is add a select screen for levels. So let's head back over to our code. We're going to go into here, and we have this debug. I'm going to set to false. Okay, cool. Now we have our character select screen up, and we can actually go through the beginning thing. So we have this show character select menu, and I gotta be honest, I don't super remember how this code works. So we're gonna spend a little bit of time figuring that out. Do a Daryl real quick. Okay, so we have a show character select function, and I'm guessing that that's gonna have most of the code that's interesting. Oh, no, it's on menu button pressed is what I want, actually. Yeah, okay, so on a menu button pressed, all it does is call start round if we have a player 1 name text and player 2 name text. So instead, what I think we're going to do is we're going to make this go to a map select. And Vivian and Joey, do you guys want to do maps too? They don't need to be super complicated.
Okay. Do they need to be like a new theme?
Yeah, sure. Just something different than before, I guess. Yeah. So if you could stick with the purple pink color palette, I think that's best.
Oh.
But I don't feel super strongly about that, but we kind of designed our colors to work with that.
Yeah. Wait, what kind of? Which purple? Is it both purples or?
I think it's both purples and pink and white.
Okay, easy peasy.
Oh.
Do you really need more than 4 colors? That's excessive. Could get rid.
Yeah, I mean,
get rid of one of those even.
every game on the Game Boy only had 4 colors.
I forget. Is this 8x8 and?
No, it's 16 by 16.
Okay, 16 by 16 and 3 tile gap that they can jump.
Something like that. Yeah. So if you just do the tile set, we can kind of put the level together, you know?
Yeah.
Whatever's easiest for you. You should probably share a game with a level that I can copy paste because that's going to be the easiest way to import it. So, you know what? Go ahead and make a level.
Also, we have a question. How long have you been working on MakeCode Slam?
This is like part 12 or something. I don't know.
Oh.
A while, right? I mean, we took a pretty long break. But we came back. I mean, it's a complicated game. Luckily though, it's not so big that it it makes the editor lag too much. So yeah, maybe one day we'll have separate Blockly files. I would love that, but I don't know if that's going to happen. All right, so while they're working on that, one other thing I need you guys to do. When you're making your level, can you also make an icon for it?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so I'm going to make an icon for Shannon's level. So let's look at that real quick. I think that is probably in start round. Set background image, set current tile map to this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so looking at Shannon's thing, and it's obviously kitchen themed, right? So let's do something that is kitchen like. I'm gonna drag out a sprite and draw something, and I'm gonna make this icon 24 by 24. Seems like a good and not too big, not too small.
Yeah. And it's divisible by so many numbers. Sorry.
Oh, it is. No, you're right. No, that was important.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna make an oven, I think.
Do you guys remember when Shannon made such good like rock gravel tiles in like 1 second?
Yeah. You mean like 2 days ago?
Yeah, like 2 days ago. I can't. How did she do that? I can't do it.
I don't think I was here for that.
Yeah, maybe you weren't. Shannon was driving that day, I think.
Oh yeah, I was gone. Because Shannon's just crazy good at effortlessly producing art. I don't know how she does it.
How does she make things look so round when they're all squares, you know? Mine's obviously squares.
Yeah, I'm with you. I can only make squares. This thing is just a series of squares. Yeah, can you believe it's already Thursday?
Did you know we have had our first after 5 p.m. sunset?
Ooh.
Oh.
Big news.
That is big news.
Yes.
Exciting. Guys, so one thing about Seattle is, and I didn't think this would be such a big thing moving from the East Coast, it gets night here so early during the winter.
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy. I didn't think it would make that much of a difference. I didn't think I was that much more north than I was before, you know?
Yeah. Agreed. Like in the summer, there's daylight until like almost 10 p.m. I feel like it's so late. It's bright for so long. It's excellent.
Yeah, that rules.
Yeah. But in the wintertime, also the sun rises really late. So like before, when I was taking the bus to work every day, I would see the sunrise every day. Not because I was getting up super early, because the sun was getting up super late. Crazy. Too far north. We should move it south a bit.
That's gonna be a tough sell, I think. Just logistically, I think it's pretty tough.
Wait, unrelated but very related. Joey, are you seeing Richard's screen update?
I'm seeing his screen. No, I'm not.
Oh,
let me
okay.
Seen Richard,
I'll fix it for you guys real quick. It's fine on stream.
It is? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I checked. It's just us.
All right, is that better?
Are you doing things?
Oh no, I'm not doing things. One sec.
Okay.
All right.
Oh
now I'm
yeah,
doing
we
stuff.
can see things now. I was like, oh, Richard's just chilling, talking about the sunset. That's fine. But that's like,
No,
wait.
I was drawing this oven.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to make a function for this. Let's go ahead and go to our functions. This, and this is going to be show stage select. All right. Now, what this is going to do is we're going to make an array of sprites. And we'll go ahead and add a new kind for this that is going to be stage select. Okay, and we'll just have one for now. Stages. Okay. So for each of these stages, we want to lay them out somewhere on the screen. So to make this easier to debug, let's go into onStart. Open this up. Head down here where we're doing show character select menu. And we're just going to put in our show stage select. No quarters today.
Oh.
Okay. So what we want to do is we want to put this somewhere on the screen, and we should probably give a title to these. I'm thinking.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll actually make a function that's going to be called create stage. And this is going to take in an image and some text. Okay, and then this is just going to do, let's see, I must have a temp sprite in this project. This sprite's so big. This project's so big. There we go, temp sprite. We're going to set our temp sprite to be this. Let me pull out this image so I don't lose it. Put this image in here. Then we're going to use the sprite data extension to store this name on it. Good, because we probably had to do this anyway. All right, and now go into functions and get a return block, and we will return our temp sprite. Nice. Okay. Now let me hit a plus a bunch of times till it goes vertical. There we go. And we're going to call create stage inside here with our image, and we're going to call this one the kitchen.
Very menacing when you say it like that.
I know. The adds a lot, I think.
True.
All right, we're just going to put in 4 of these guys so that we have something to show on the screen. Okay. So let's go ahead and lay these guys out. And I think I need something similar to this for character select. So I'm wondering if I could just copy that code. Let's see. Character select. Character select. Here it is.
Is it time for a song?
Am I going to refactor this, do you mean? Yeah. Yeah, let's do it.
Wait, this is kind of like the opposite of that movie thing. Right? Yes. I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know what it is.
No, I know what you're talking about.
Okay, great.
Is it THC, the thing?
Oh yeah.
They're like,
yeah, but I don't. Oh yeah. But I don't know what that is. It like a movie production? I don't know.
No, it's like they do like sound.
Oh,
it's like
that makes sense.
a standard for mixing sound like Dolby, you know, I think. Okay, yeah, let's refactor this. Cue it.
Oh, Joey, go.
Do 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 do.
There we go. All right. It was a little. I'm gonna say. I don't think your heart was in it.
It wasn't. I'm thinking hard about this theme that Shannon gave me, and I'm not sure I'm skilled enough to. It's such a good theme, and I want it to come into existence, but I want I don't want to mess it up, so I don't want to give it.
Want to hear something absurd? Joey's
I
like,
think I can pull it off eventually. It's just gonna take me a long time, so I'm gonna try. Yes, sorry.
Joey's like, I don't have any good ideas for themes. What should I do? Shannon comes in with like a billion amazing themes. We're gonna make all of them.
Yeah.
So get cracking, everybody.
Richard, if you haven't seen it, the theme that we got, just that I'm gonna probably spend the rest of my life trying to own to existence, is a corgi theme stage, like the Earthbound one from Super Smash Bros, where there's a car, you know, the one where there's a car that goes down on the street at the bottom of the level, and you have to like avoid it. Except it's a corgi running on the bottom of the level, and you have to avoid it.
Ooh, I like that.
But it's just gonna require some effort here. So
yeah. If you've never played Earthbound before, by the way, the towns have the best names ever because the people who localized Earthbound did a stellar job. And the names of the towns are Onet, which is 1 ETT, Tucson, TWOSON. Oh shoot, what is 3? I can't remember. 4 is Forsyth. Well, anyway, you get the idea. They all go with just the number in, and it's great. Okay, so we are passing in a thing to choose and some selectables. And we are now going to take out most of this code. We're going to take these and put them over here. And we're going to make it so that instead of doing this set temp sprite thing, we're going to do a for index from length of selectables, which is going to be a list of sprites. And we're going to get rid of this name business. And this, instead of using, well, we're just going to set temp sprite to be the get value from on this with the index of our selectables, which is going to be a sprite. And we're going to be setting the position just like this. And I think that's what I want to do. And then I'm going to change this to be to choose. All right. Now we're going to call this show select menu. And we're going to pass in stage, because that's what we're choosing, and our stages. And let's see how this works. Okay, well, it made 1, I guess. Huh. Okay, let's see if we can figure out what's going wrong here. Oh, we did length of array list. That makes sense. This should be length of array selectables. Perfect. Okay, cool. Now we got 4 of these guys being laid out. That looks good. So we're going to now take this and restore our character select menu. And instead of this create stage, I'm going to make this create. Hey, I'm typing. Selectable. Wow, for some reason it is very unhappy with me typing into this. Selectanol. Okay, gonna do delete the, and we're gonna wait for it to update. And there we go. create selectable. And this is going to take in a Boolean, which is going to be is character. And then we're going to put in an if is character. And we're going to set the kind it is a character. I could just pass on the kind, but oh well. Okay. So now let's fix our show character select menu. So we're going to call show select menu, but we want to pass in our little array of characters here. So let's go ahead and do just like we did before. Actually, we're just going to duplicate this. Like that, and we're going to change this to be fighters. Whoops. By the way, this is a bug we need to fix. If you have a bunch of functions in an array and then you press plus,
yeah, we should. Yeah,
it creates a little function with no name for you.
I feel like that could be a song. Function with no name.
Went through the desert with a function with no name.
Guys, I have an amazing
good to be
idea.
out of the rain.
We should release a MakeCode album.
Oh yeah.
Just parodying many pop songs. We could do like pop songs. We could do like classical music. You know, like da 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 da. But MakeCode themed or like programming themed. Oh my gosh, why has nobody done this before?
Good question.
Genius idea.
All right, there we go. We're done refactoring. Good job, everybody.
And quality of life is up.
Through the desert, a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. I don't know the rest of the words to this song. It's a song my parents like to listen to. Does anyone even know who wrote that song? Was that Neil Young?
Is it America?
Is it America?
I'll look it up. Yeah, but I know that.
Nice.
How is there a band that's just called America?
Is this the only song? Were they a one-hit wonder?
Let me go to their Wikipedia page.
By the way, if you're confused about what I was just singing, that's because it was a song from the 70s. Okay. So when I was not alive, to be clear.
I was there for that. I remember it. Horses were so popular because of this song, and you couldn't tell them apart because none of them had names. You're just like,
what you guys don't know is that Vivian is actually 103 years old. She has a painting in her basement that ages instead of her.
Oh my god.
So it becomes older, but she stays young forever.
And every once in a while, I have to trap a new person in the painting so I can get more ages out of it.
All right. So let's go ahead and do the actual selection part of this. So we have somewhere code for doing this. I'm guessing we have an on sprite of kind player select overlaps with sprite of kind character select. Let's look at that. Yep. Perfect. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this and collapse it again. And we're going to change this to be stage select. And we're going to say if it is player 1 and A button is pressed, or if player 2 and A button is pressed, then we are going to have it select. Well, actually, let's pause for a second because I think I actually want to show the name of this thing. So if the player number equals 1, then we're going to go ahead and set the let's get the name in any case. And we will, oh, no, we don't want to set the player 1 name. We just want to set the thing right here, like that. And we want to do the same thing for player 2. So I'm going to do this text sprite right here. We're going to make sure that we put this like this, set the position and outline, that's all good. And then if A button is pressed, we're going to go ahead and do the start round, but set our stage. So we're going to take this, put this out here, and yeah, that looks good. Okay, so now if I overlap with something, we should see, oh, it's only happening if it's A button. Oh, did I put in true for all of the stages? I might have. Right, yes, so this needs to be false. All right, so now if I overlap it, it tells me what I'm overlapping with, right? So the kitchen, that's nice. And player 2 can also look at what they're overlapping with, the kitchen. And then whoever presses A first is going to just choose the stage. We're not going to worry about, like resolving that or whatever. You're going to have to just deal with your friends. So if A button is pressed, then we are going to call start round. And let's see, where's our start round? Here it is. And we're going to, inside of this start round, so we're already destroying all these sprites of kind, character select, player select, text, all that good stuff. Let's make sure we do stage select also. And we need to also make it so that we actually start on the right stage. So I'm going to make a, I'm going to edit this function, and it's going to take in some text, which is going to be stage. And we're going to just put it in an if statement. And we're going to check this stage a few times and do the only one we have so far, which is the kitchen. And if it's the kitchen, then we're going to set this background image and set this tile map. And now let's go to where we were calling start round. So in here, go here, call start round. Somewhere around here. There it is. And we're going to call it with name. Okay, so let's just try this real quick. Go up here, press A, and cool. We started the round in the kitchen. And now Vivian has given me some share links.
Yeah.
What's this first one from you?
Gideon? It's from Gideon.
All right. So we got a stage from Gideon. Oh, music themed. All right. So does Gideon have a name for this stage?
Gideon, do you have a name for this stage? Oh, it says Music Stadium.
All right. It might be a bit too long, but we'll make it work. In there. It looks messed up, but it's actually fine. Don't worry about it. This is a bug I fixed. We just haven't released the fix yet.
It's okay. Delayed gratification's good.
All right, we're just going to put in the whole name. Music Stadium. And it'll probably bleed over, but oh go well. Okay, and now we're gonna make a icon for this guy. So let's go over here, and I think I'm just gonna do a big music note.
Makes sense.
Oops.
Tasty.
All right, I got another link from Vivian. Is this one you, Vivian? Vivian disappeared.
No, it's Joseph's.
Not this Joseph, another Joseph.
What? I'm not Joseph.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, not Joey. Oh my gosh, sorry. So, of course, Joseph would be referring to Joey, not Vivian. What? Okay, be right back.
All right. Go ahead and paste this in here. It looks like we got a star background. And we've got, ooh, looks like asteroids, got some comets or flames falling down, and bricks to stand on. Go ahead and copy this. So what size was that? 24 by 24. Thank you guys also for putting in the red border around. It shows me that you've been paying attention. Paste, cool. And sorry, was there a name for this one? Did I miss it? Joey?
I have no idea.
Joseph, if you have a name for this stage, please let us know.
Gravity Zone. There we go.
Gravity Zone. All right. Okay, cool. All right, we got 3 stages now. So we can go up and select one. Now we're in Music Stadium. Oh, it's very appropriate for rocks, that's for sure. Hey, Hassan. We cannot hear you, son.
Yeah. I realized that. Is this the fighting game?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so about 30% of the time when Hassan joins calls, we cannot hear him.
30%. That's very like, yeah.
All right, Gideon, I have to edit your level a little bit because we can't jump through everything here, and I'm afraid not all of the characters are going to be able to fit. So I'm going to edit things a little bit just to move it around so that these are gaps you can go through. Move this up a bit. This up a bit.
Y'all had 2 characters. Is that still the case right now?
We have 4 characters.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah.
Quite the roster. Huh.
All right, let's try this again and see how traversable this level is now. All right.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So we can get through this now, which is cool. We can't get up here, but I guess you can get slammed up there. All right, so that's good. Vivian or Joey, do you guys have them yet, or are you still working? Can't hear you, Vivian.
Still working.
Okay. No rush. All right. So now that we've got that going, let's go ahead and hook all of this up so that it works properly, the flow works properly. So right now we're starting on the stage select. We want to start on the character select, and then we want to go into the stage select. And one thing that we are going to have to do right now is, so for our show stage select, I'm going to have to delete all of the sprites from the show character select. So I'm actually going to take out this destroy all sprites, this big destroy all sprites thing we have. Just going to duplicate this. And we're going to put this at the beginning of show character select. Show stage select. Right here. All right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to, right now we're doing on menu button press start round. Let's not do that. Instead, we're going to do show character select menu. No, sorry. We want to do show stage select menu. Show stage select. There you go. And then finally, for my debug code, I'm just going to make it so we go to the kitchen because that's where we have been debugging, the kitchen. And now take out the show character select and do show stage select and put in show character select. And let's do it. Okay, so Straw Bob. Another one. Gideon. Oh, I changed that, didn't I? I guess I didn't. I'll go fix it. Glitch. And now we'll press menu. Now we're in the stage select. I will choose the gravity zone. And there we go. Okay, we need to put in starting points, I realize now, for these levels. Forgot that that's something that we have to do. So let's do that real quick. We're going to head on over to our start round function. And let's see, in Music Stadium, they need to be somewhat close together because of how the camera works. So we're just going to put them up here, up top, I think. That'll be fun.
Can the camera pan out to see all characters?
The camera can't zoom.
Is it fixed? Okay.
So it tries to follow both characters, but we don't have the ability to zoom. So.
Oh, fair. Whoa.
So we're gonna go ahead and put, it shows the notes, but that's actually not what it is. This is a bug that I have fixed. We just haven't released the fix yet. It's just a visual bug though. So if I were actually to refresh and look at it again, it would be fine. And you'll see when I play the game, it's fine. All right, cool. Okay, so we've got the flow working now. That looks good. So let's go ahead and make it so that we actually have this game 100% working. I think we have an end round somewhere. Where is that? Here it is. There we go. Yep, I figured I hadn't filled this in yet. Okay, so we have this end round and we have player who won. And we need to go ahead and do something for when this round is actually over. So once one of the characters has lost all of their lives, we're going to call this function with the player who won. We need to show some text. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to show some text sprites. We're going to show like player, well, or probably the thing like Straw Bob wins. And then we'll do a reset and it'll drop you back on the character select. So let's go ahead and code that up real quick. Let me refresh though, because my simulator is getting slow. San, have you ever thrown an egg at something?
No.
Don't answer this. It would make you legally culpable.
I knew you were the one who egged my house. No.
I don't think so.
Vivian?
Richard, have you?
No, I think that I want to though.
Wait.
Clear,
Okay, no. Sorry.
I'm not encouraging anybody to go out and throw an egg at somebody. Okay, but I do want to throw an egg at something.
Wasn't this a field day event? You
There was
the
that
egg-
race where you put an egg on a spoon and you had to
Yeah.
keep it in the spoon.
I think we
Yeah.
had one where you like see how far away you can throw the egg. You know, do you
Wouldn't
throw
they-
the egg, take a step away, or maybe it's a water balloon. It was an egg.
They let you like
Yeah,
eat
that-
eggs in elementary school as a field day activity.
What did you do for
Like-
field?
You
Not
didn't
that.
eat the eggs.
We did relay races. We did
You-
what was it?
You didn't eat the eggs. You balanced the eggs on a spoon.
I think
Yeah.
he said yeet.
Yeet.
Oh.
Not yeet.
Oh, I gotcha.
Good catch, Joey. No. I thought Vivian was describing like an activity where they gave children eggs and encouraged them to just yeet them off into the distance.
That's
And
what I
then
was
some-
Next
describing.
one is egg paintball.
Yeah. I just imagine just some poor unlucky soul on the other side having to like avoid getting hit by the eggs, but also having to mark where they land.
No. You're supposed to catch it. You're supposed to catch the egg. It's a pair activity.
How far apart are you? Like 5 feet?
No, you throw it and then you take a step back, and you throw it and you
Are
take
you
a
sure
step
these
back.
aren't? Are you sure these aren't water balloons? Because I don't know. If I
Yeah,
was a
it
school,
can't be eggs. That
I
sounds
was
like
a
really
school-
wasteful
I'd be like, because like
and also
I-
disgusting.
children
it's not-
are.
You're trying to keep the egg in one piece.
What do you think the odds of a 5-year-old?
No, I get it, but like, so
Or not
the entire
5-year-old,
school is going
10?
through this activity. Okay, a bunch
Yeah.
of kids are throwing eggs. There are
Yes.
just egg remains scattered all around
Everywhere.
the ground. You know,
Yep.
eggshells all over the place. It just doesn't seem right.
Do you at least
Oh,
hard boil
okay.
the eggs first? Because if they're raw eggs, I could easily see a 10-year-old like getting, like smashing an egg on their hand and then touching their face. Being like, oops, you have the salmonella now. Like whatever other disease you get from raw eggs.
And I think the
Actually-
salmonella actually lives on the shell. It doesn't live inside the egg.
Really?
Yeah, but if you
Huh.
boil it, I'm sure it's fine.
Oh yeah. If I was doing the activity, I think I'd hard boil the eggs at the very least.
Seems like it would hurt more if you got hit by one. Okay, player one name.
A hard-boiled
Put in
egg?
here. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, but then you can also walk away from it without having your clothes be absolutely soaked.
I guess. All right,
I don't know.
let's do a full round and see how this works. We got Straw Bob. We got well, let me fix that. Show character select menu. I must have just copied and pasted wrong. Yeah, Gideon. Rocks. All right, Straw Bob. Rocks. Go ahead, we'll do Music Stadium. Cool, okay, we're up
Nice.
here. Now I'm just going to die. There you go, die again. All
What?
right, we're gonna die again.
Are you just testing the camera or something right now?
No, I'm testing
Respawn
the
points.
wind condition. Rocks wins! Yay! Okay, that works. All right. Go. Okay, our game works. We have a game.
Hey.
So cool. All right. I got it end-to-end working. So now I'm just gonna wait for my co-streamers to come up with the levels that they're gonna give me. All right, guys. No pressure, but it's all on you.
Mine's keep on turning out guard.
Cool.
And I have like high standards for this one is the thing.
Yeah. No. It's good to have high standards, but do it fast. Do it good, but fast.
Good but fast.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is high standards that I cannot quite reach quite yet.
Take your time. Take your time. Okay. In the meantime, let's brainstorm some things that we could do for this game. I want to make it so we have more moves, but I feel like we are kind of hitting the limit on our controls. I think we might have to redo the controls a little bit.
What
So,
moves do you have?
So every character has their own moves. All right. So let's
yeah.
just choose one of them. We'll do Straw Bob and Captain Cat. I'll go ahead and grab those two. Okay, we'll go to the kitchen. All right, so I'll start with Straw Bob. So Straw Bob has a push attack. This right here.
Mhm.
Just does a little bit of damage.
Okay.
You can see up there on top of the screen. That's my DPS.
You have a DPS counter?
Yeah, for player
Wow.
one. This is for debugging. It won't be in the
Oh,
final game.
nice. You're down for a
Um,
second.
Yeah, so Straw Bob's only attack, other attack is this slam attack where he like puts his arms forward like that.
Oh,
and
okay.
that's
So there is
how-
knockback.
Yeah. And you'll even bounce around if you have a high percentage.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yep.
Will will a light attack bounce you around at a high enough percentage?
No, so this light attack won't ever bounce you because the light attacks won't ever bounce. You
Okay.
have to use a slam attack, as we call them, which is
Yeah.
like this. That will.
Okay.
Okay,
So is the
now,
idea that slam attacks are slow enough that you could do light attacks, avoid the slam, come back and do more light attacks?
Well, yeah. So the DPS for the slam attack is actually like about the same as for the light attack for Straw Bob.
Yeah.
It's just like the difference is that you can do this one without them running away from you because you're just standing in place, right?
Mm.
All right. Well, anyway, Straw Bob has another attack which is their special. If I press B,
Whoa.
see, I pick up a strawberry. I'm not carrying
Whoa.
around, and
Yeah.
I can go ahead and throw that and capture that.
Nice.
The strawberries bounce around, so if I throw this, you can see it bounces around, and it can also hit me.
Oh, you would take damage for your own strawberries? Oh, that's
Yeah.
rough. Oh, that's rough.
Maybe
Well.
I just kill myself. Okay,
High risk
And now-
category.
let's look at Captain Cat's moves. So those are all Straw Bob's moves. Oh, whoops! I accidentally did his special.
Whoa.
Sorry. Yeah, I am bad with the player 2 controls. Okay. So we have this scratch attack.
Nice.
Yeah. And then his
Very cat-like.
over attack is this
Whoa,
throws
ranged.
a harpoon, which if you ever played the 3 Brave Cats, you'll know that this is Captain Cat's specialty. Is throwing harpoons.
No, I did not play that one.
Um,
What era was it?
what? Oh, Lucas made it for a game jam. He won
Oh,
our first. He
nice.
won Ocean Jam with it, right?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay, and then finally we have Captain Cat Special because 3 Brave Cats has 3 cats in it. It has Captain Cat, Coco, and Sam. And so if you do the special, call Sam, and then Sam drops down and says, "Get him, Coco," and sends Coco, who uses a surfboard, to go and attack.
Oh, can you
It's
jump
like a
once you
slow
start
one.
getting nudged, or are you just like,
Yeah.
is that it?
No. He's I'm getting destroyed. This was another one that will self damage you. And it's this one's like it does a lot of damage. It hits you really far, but
Yeah,
it's tricky to use because it's kind of hard to aim because he just drops
Yeah.
down wherever you are,
yeah,
and then does it. So anyway, that's Captain Cat
Okay.
and that's Straw Bob.
nice.
We also have 2 other
Balloons.
characters. One from Lucas, which is Glitch, who is pretty complicated. You can also like transform into different forms. Got a bunch of moves. And we have Rocks from Gideon, who can he's got a cool like music attack. Ooh, what's this link?
Looks like we got more levels in the chat or from chat. Oh,
who's this first one from, Vivian?
Maybe Vivian? Yep, Vivian.
Ooh. Vivian's good at drawing trees.
Trees were such a pain.
I like it. All right, we're gonna go ahead
Mysterious.
and copy this and go over and put this into the game. So let's go to our start round. Why do I keep losing my place? Here it is. All right. Vivian, what do you call this stage?
Oh, spooky forest.
Spooky Forest. All right. And then what was the size of this tile map? 25 by 16. We're going to have to edit this a bit.
That's fine.
So let's do 25 by 16. We're going to go ahead and paste this in. This is cool. All right. But we need to make it so that you can actually get slammed off this stage. So I think what we're actually going to do is we're actually going to just make this 25 by, I don't know, 24.
yeah.
Oh, no, whoops. I want to do the opposite. I want to do like, see, I want to add 3 on each side, so we'll make this 31. Move this over. And now we're going to go into our tiles and grab the death tile and go ahead and put this around our stage like this. Cool. Okay. And then, did you include an icon for this, Vivian? Okay, if you didn't.
I didn't.
All right, that's all right. Okay, I edited this tile map instead of creating a new one. So let me go ahead and undo that. Create another set current tile map 2. And we're going to make this 31 by 15, I think it was. And then paste. There you go. Oh, 31 by 16. Cool. All right, and let's go ahead and add this to our stage select. So let's go over to our show stage select. Before we do this, actually, though, let's go ahead and copy the other one. Oh, well, we got 2 more. Wow.
We put a call for stages out, and the people delivered.
Yeah, I'm happy. We're gonna have even one more with Joey's.
Yep, with Joey's. It's all on you
it's
now.
Lucas is favorite character from the Kirby series, Wispy Woods.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, this isn't Lucas's. This is Bro Scribbles.
Yeah.
Bro Scribbles.
Isn't there a new Kirby
Nice.
game coming out?
There is a new Kirby game coming out. I'm pretty excited about it.
Oh, I can't wait.
I love Kirby. Okay. This is 32 by 32.
Oh, March 25th.
Yeah, it's pretty soon. And we're going to go ahead and do a set current tile map 2 down here. 32 by 32 and paste that in. Nice. Okay. Do we have a name for this one, Vivian?
It's Wispy Woods from Kirby, is what I was told.
Wispy Woods. Yeah, I got you, bro. Skibble. I know Wispy Woods when I see him. All right, and this next one is from Lucas. Go ahead and edit code.
Guys, we have a lot of tree theme
My son.
maps all at once. We should have coordinated better.
It's all right. Trees are cool.
That's true.
All right, we're gonna set our current tile map to open this up. And oh, I like the waterfalls. That's cool.
Oh, dope.
Okay, so that's
This
40 by 30.
reminds me of the what was it? The Legend of Zelda
The
stage.
new one, you mean? Oh no,
I think that it's been the same since like GameCube, pretty much.
the Hyrule Castle one, the giant
Yeah.
one.
The two big ones. God, just
Where it's
hide.
like
That's pretty big.
bunch of floating islands.
Yeah, that was the level we always used when we just wanted to mess around. Smash Bros. It was
Yeah.
so big. Okay, was there a name for this one?
Lucas, do you have a name for your level? We'll see.
In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and grab our stage select and move it over here so that I can start adding icons for each of these stages.
Oh yeah, Wispy Woods should either be a star or a certain pink blob.
What, for the icon?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, it's gonna be a star. I'm not gonna put Kirby in the game, sorry.
Pink blob. How would you guys do the colon greater than, no, less than, greater than emoji?
Colon greater than? Colon greater than?
Which one? If the big side's on the left and the small side's on the right, is that greater than or less than?
I mean, it reads from
Right.
left to right.
So it's greater than.
It's like that.
You're saying
I
like
realized
A
my image is flipped.
greater than B?
If it's the big side on the left number,
Yeah.
left number is bigger than the right number. And big side, I mean the 2 points. If it's reversed,
A op
then
B,
it's less
so
than.
op is
So greater than.
yeah.
Yeah. So how would you make that face? Is what I'm saying.
Oh, you mean the colon, like color greater
Yeah.
than sign? Yeah, no, it's hard. I think of it as like a mischievous smile.
Do
I
it,
don't know if
Hassan. Be mischievous.
yeah. Like I don't think like it doesn't go up high enough. So.
Interesting.
Oh. I mean, like,
Right.
how do you do what is it? Like, how do you make the face of colon 3?
That's how.
The cat
I would like
one, right?
Yeah. How would you make the cat one?
With great difficulty. And
Okay.
I think of the cat one as mischievous as well. I don't know if that's how other people interpret it. Well, I think we have another map.
Oh yeah.
Recreation of Final
I
Destination.
don't know, Vivian. Give me an icon if you can.
Oh.
Oh, I'll do
Whoa.
a ghost, actually.
This is
Ghost.
cool. Whoa, who made this?
For which one? For which one?
Phoenix 364. This is a cool map.
Kiwi Phoenix is a regular.
Let's into our chat. Oh, Vivian already got it. Nice. Ghost.
Wait, Richard, which one do you need an icon for?
How about the one you just posted?
Oh, okay.
Yes, Broski, that is the answer. We just need a pet ditto.
Okay, what is the names of Lucas's? Did we get a name for Lucas's?
I don't. Floating Islands of the Multiverse from a game coming soon.
Okay, we cannot call it all of that.
You could
reads
do
like
Floating Isles.
That reads like a Japanese light novel title. It tells you everything you need to know.
For sure. We'll call it Floating Isles. Not a bad name, but we have limited space. All right, so I'm just drawing my own little floating isles. Waterfalls. Floating isles. Floating isles. Okay, this next one is from Kiwi Phoenix. How's yours coming, Joey?
Disappointed, but I'm getting there.
All right, cool. Whoa, we got some weird perspective going on here.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
It reminds me when 3D was in its earlier stages, the isometric viewpoint was very popular. It's
That
like,
one reminds me
um,
of the
Isometric is still popular.
hand stage. I forget what the final. Is it Final
Final
Destination?
Destination.
It's Final Destination, yes.
Final
Yeah,
Destination.
that's what they're going for, I think.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's a good job.
True. Yeah, I guess I'm used to playing. I guess I just play more I play AAA more often than not. I need to play more indie games where I can get some more isometric viewpoints.
That make this like 20. Let's see what that does. Sure. And then make this 20 also. Why not? Cool. And then we'll just go ahead and center all of this. That ish. And then
What was the
this thing
size
I drew.
for the icon again?
24 by
24 by 24.
4 by 24.
That in, and while I'm here, I need to do this for the other ones too, but let's go ahead and mark player 1 and player 2. All right. Make this final destination. And Joey, if you have your map, just send it right now without the icon, because we have to go.
Yeah, that's true. Well, it's coming.
Cool.
Minecraft art still. Oh. We got an
Nice.
icon from Lucas.
Yeah.
All right.
Joey, why'd you call it garbage?
I'm just setting expectations.
Yeah.
Oh,
You always
I
do
see.
that,
You already
you
grabbed
always
it.
do
Nice.
it.
This is I would be shocked if you disagree.
Garbage corgi. Oh. This is nice.
I like it. What are you talking about?
Corgi's adorable.
Huh?
What's that last
evolving.
one supposed to be?
Oh, sorry. What was the size of this?
Oh, what was the size of that?
25 by 16.
25 by 16. Yep.
Yep.
I wonder if we're gonna have to worry about running out of tiles in this game.
Yeah, I don't know. I was thinking about that earlier. We have 256 though. I don't think we're gonna quite get there.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we also got another map from Joseph, but unfortunately we are out of time. So thank you all, everybody, for tuning in. I am Richard at Richard on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Hassan at Hassan on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Joe at J1 on the MakeCode forum.
And I'm Vivian at LiveTrip on the MakeCode forum.
And tune in tomorrow where we're gonna do something. It's a Friday, so who knows? Maybe we'll do something fun. All right.